guys, this is Elisa with WTI, and today I want to talk to you about this power bank. If you're like me and your phone's always about to die out, you're definitely gonna love this power bank. This is great for traveling. As you can see, you can fit this perfectly on your jacket. You can charge several devices at the same time. And this is a 30 milliamp hour power bank, which allows you to charge your devices multiple times without dying out. There's several things I love about this. This is compatible with an iPhone, a Samsung, and a Nintendo Switch, and more. I really appreciate how it shows the remaining battery capacity, just so you know how much juice you have left. This is not super bulky. You can carry it on your purse, on your jacket comfortably, especially when traveling or going to work. This power bank is definitely high quality and it will last for a whole week. I highly recommend it, and that is my point of view.